She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, on the dog, I'm on one.
Good morning, birdies. How you guys doing? It's okay, Bobby. It's okay. Well, I am tired. I'm not into it, but it's not that bad, you know. So, but anyway, let's start our day. What are we doing today? We are going out. Okay. So yeah, and where are we going? We are going horse riding with my girl Nomtanda. So, and after we're gonna have a brunch at this other restaurant. Wait, we are not sure about this restaurant, guys, but Mina, I just want to try it out. Let's see, you know. And I love rating bad restaurants because why are you doing that to your customers? Rater, guys. If you don't follow me on my restaurant review page on TikTok, please, I will write it down in the description. Oh, here actually, I'll write it down here, and then please go and follow the girl because that is my best page ever. This is my outfit of the day. Yes, because it's a little bit cloudy outside, so I'm definitely gonna wear this. Guys, this jean doesn't fit me anymore and it hurts me because it's still new. So what happened was, I lay by it and I gained weight throughout, and then when I went to take it, obviously they're just chilling high sharp, and then I take when I get home it doesn't fit me anymore. And also I did not fit it on the same day. Mina, I have this habit of buying clothes and keeping them in my closet, because even this, I think this is the second or third month I'm wearing it for the first time, you know, but at least I wore it and I saw how it fits, and then so it was too late for me to return it by the time I wore it. And I love this jean so much. It's so cute. It's proper. So I'm so scared to let go, but one day I will I will leave it. Hi. You know me and having YouTube and TikTok, you have to shoot landscape. Yeah. We are leaving. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
I'ma stack it till it right, I'm just being honest. Hit up drop it, fire it, coops, dash 200. Live a rich nigga life, I'm just being honest. Real street nigga ain't get that but some pain from it. Lame with those nigga hot, I'm just honest. Gold bars on bottles, I'm just honest. 100,000 on watches, I'm just honest. Coops all on coops, I'm just honest. I keep a gang of bad bitches with me too, and we ain't never going back to what we used to do. I was gonna lie to you, but I had to tell the truth. I'm just being honest. That crack all of my drawers, I'm just honest. My diamonds ain't got flaws, I'm just honest. These hoes on sight, nigga, I'm just honest. We can ball all night, nigga, I'm just honest. You fuck, nigga, y'all don't need no scrubbing. You don't even know why, nigga, I here hustling. Got flat strings and truck spot, I'm honest. Kept real with all you niggas, just too honest. Took some bitches at the strip club, I'm just honest.
I'm eating leftovers, guys, from the restaurant, and then I'm also watching Skin Slam because why not? I didn't watch episode Friday, so I was like, let me just watch some Skin Slam, you know. Also, at the restaurant, I didn't eat because I don't know, the food was not generating. Only the burger wasn't generating, so I was like, let me just try it. So now let me just eat it. As you can see, I didn't eat much. There's still a lot. So let me indulge, babes. But yeah, let's go to sleep. What a lovely day. Morning, birdies. How you guys doing? I am well, thank you. Oh, so today I'm going to training. Yeah, training at work, and come with me. I'm not gonna take much content because we're not allowed to, yabo. So I'm just gonna show you, you know, what I get up to before going to work. Okay, training, because it's not work yet. But yeah, like also I finished eating, and I forgot to tell you guys, I ate wheat bix, and I ate 3 wheat bix, and then yeah, now I'm just brushing my hair. I'm gonna tie it up because they don't want dangling hair. I don't know why they don't want that, because I hate ponytails, honestly, but I just have to do it, you know. So yeah, and then we're gonna leave. Actually today I'm early. Usually at this time I'm already starting to eat and stuff like that, but today I want to be different. Okay, it's currently 25 minutes past 7, so yeah, masambeni, let's leave. I'm gonna wear earrings also, and they don't want like dangling earrings, so you have to wear those small knobs earrings. Okay, oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm holding the phone with my left hand, so hence why it's shaking. I'm so sorry for that, but otherwise masambeni lovies, spend a day with me. Okay, let's go to work. Masambeni. Oh my god, the sun is running. Yeah, this is how I tied up my hair. I feel like it's loose, but I'll just do it when I get to work. I'll just like tie it again, and yeah, but otherwise it's something. Okay, so I just bought Red Bull, so let's do this thing. Also, why is my jean like this? How am I? Yeah, let's start this day, my lovies. Okay.
Ne?
Yes.
Like this, ne? Software number.
Yeah, what's up again?
Yeah. Do you know what number two? Mario guys, there's something wrong with you guys. Do you guys have businesses?
No.
Huh?
068
068
186
186.
Good morning, birdies. How you guys doing? It's a lovely Saturday. Saturday, what? The 4th. Okay. It's currently 4 a.m. We are going out. Okay. We're going to groove and we're going to sell. I need to hustle some money. So enjoy. Let's go to F&B Stadium. Kota Festival. Yeah. So yeah, I'm preparing my bath and let's get ready. I only have like 25 minutes to finish so I can leave. Okay, my water is ready. Now let's bath and leave the house. Okay, so I'm carrying all these, like a charger, power bank. I left my other power bank at Scorpion King, so I'm using these small power banks. I'm sure they're only gonna charge my phone 20% or 30, you know, but it's fine. Any percent is a percentage, okay? Otherwise, let's move. Let's go, guys. Let me just clean up here and we will be done. Hello, guys. I was supposed to leave 5:15. It's currently 5:45. Like, guys, what the heck? I'm more than the word late. And I'm going 15 minutes. So I just have to tell the people to wait for me. have a choice because ke tshwere di-bucket tsa bona. La bona ke tshwere di-bucket tsa bona. So they don't have a choice but to wait for me. And what's funny is that Kelata is taking, I don't even know what Kelata is taking, but what the heck?
Flipping on that work, flipping off that perk, flipping up my skirt, and I be whipping all that work, taking trips with all them keys, car keys got bees, singing with the queen bee, and we be whipping all that tea. If we dope girls, we the poster girls for outlets, we run around with them bowlers, only real niggas on my cowlers. I'm the big kahuna, go let them boys know, just on this song alone, bitches on her fourth floor.
Yeah, guys, refitlhile jaanong. The weather is not weathering. The weather is not weathering on time. So you guys better make sure you wear your jerseys because it's cold as fuck. Nah, it's cold as fuck. I wish I came with my other jersey. I wish I kabe ke apere itse. Yo, ke apere ka nna.
She don't live that far. Say she left her person named Church. You know, wanna play it. We can go there first. I bust to you. Put up to a spot. She live at a park. It's getting dark. My clock on my lap. I'm just thinking smart, so she hop out. She switching this shit. This bitch thinking shit. She got 2 minutes. If she ain't back out, then she gon' need a lift. She left her phone, so I picked it up. This hoe slow as fuck. Let me call. 3 of them for mom. The other 6 say duck. I look up and I see a truck. It's just pulling up. Someone hopped out. A big goofy nigga. He tryna look tough. I'm like, what he tryna do? So I clutched my move, but he kept walking. He don't want no smoke, boy. He not bulletproof. He's getting tired from this stupid bitch. She from Kankakee, just brought a Glock with a ruler clip. Boy, don't play with me.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi to who?
To the video.
Hello, video. Hi.
Para.
Hi, video.
She walked out, she stopped in the trash, she get the stepping back, then I hit smack. This big goofy nigga.
We're not on hello video, wena.
She say that she hungry, I not back, no doubt. I know you mad, cause I smoked your man. Left him on the curb, she started laughing.
I say, can you feel it? I'm asking, I'm biting it now. I see 1, 2, 2. I see more joy, see. Hey, what's that? Listen, oh no.
But I will not see what I cannot have.
It's currently 4 a.m. and I just got home. Like, what the heck, guys? Imagine you go home at 5 a.m. on Saturday and I'm coming back the next day, 4 a.m. So basically almost 24 hours. Give me a break. Like, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Be when you are not with me. I had to live. I had to live. I had to leave. I had to live. Love set you free to flap your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, pretty wings.
Good morning, birdies. How you guys doing? I'm well, thank you. Guys, every time I go to my sister's place, my earrings get lost. Like, even now I was wearing one earring and then I had to take it off because I don't know where the other one is, but I think I left it at the house. But now we're going to school. Hey, so yeah, it's calling, guys. I need to go do my hair, guys. Literally sunbathing. Let's go to the school and go do my hair. Don't mind my face. I'm walking. I have to go down there. I was going down the hill, honestly speaking. Imagine. But it's fine. I'm almost there. I'm gonna catch a taxi and then we're good.
I miss you more and more. Love song goes on. Your pretty wings are pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings are pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings.
It is something you can conquer with time and awareness.
Here's a little infographic about how you can conquer your child's math anxiety. This is something that I saw on YouTube and one of these ladies she creates like podcasts on mental.
Another black one, honestly speaking. Like, what the heck? Very trash. Okay. Anyways, skating. Like, but then I don't know. Oh, it's a two-piece.
Fuck it up, fuck it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Break it up, break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race with China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina. See the bricks to China. I tell my niggas out. Check. Bust it down. And turn your pussy down. I'm slip on it, yes, let's turn this. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw it to this. I'ma bust it open. Go stupid and be lit to it. I don't get honey. Cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wipe me once they get that good punani. I think he needs a bunny. I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt in the smile of the Ronnie. Rep queens like Supreme. Ass web and nitty. That ass bring me in chow. Nigga run me my dog. This game is freezing like it wait in the cow. Nickname is Nicky. My name ain't a cow.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck 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 it up.
Okay, so I managed to charge my phone and I just came back from the bathroom. And now we are leaving. We are running to Mom's Mo. I need to run, guys, so that I can get the things that I need for tomorrow. People, don't mind the lighting, but otherwise I need to get them. I can see the sunshine. Okay, let's leave. We are leaving now.
We ain't showing up in court. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
I don't know. I think it's this one. I think I need something like I don't know.
Let's get drunk, get what we did. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like,
Guys, I was on a call when I got home, but yeah, I got home and electricity is not back. Also, and I'm eating wheat bix. My dad is cooking, but I'm full. No. So wheat bix it is. Nasi Jane and good night.